Hi, today we are in a Guelph driving test center. We are going to go to G2 test route today, and they have got two routes here. We are going to go to both the route one by one. Okay, now we are going to go to route number 2 in a Guelph G2 route number 2, and just make sure park your car at the back of the building. And before starting, look everywhere. Anyone coming or not? Right now, no one is coming. We'll take a right here. Take a right out from the test center. And when you pass from this area, there are so many potholes here. Be careful. They will fix in few days. But right now, be careful when you're driving through here. Go slowly and nicely here. We will take a left here on the Silver Creek. Let's look around here. Look, no one coming. Take left here. We'll go straight here. Look around everywhere. Anyone coming? Light is green. Just make sure check everywhere. Look around. Speed limit 60 here. Follow speed limit 60. Look around. Look. I see this railway track. Check both sides. Move your neck everywhere. And this all these streets. Just make sure you look around everywhere. Speed limit 60 here. Follow speed limit. It's only single lane. And again the railway track is coming. Make sure you look around everywhere on the railway track. We check both sides, left side, right side. And now speed limit is 50. Make sure you go to 50 only. The light turned to red. We have to stop. Yeah, when the light is red, just make sure check everywhere, both sides. Anyone coming anywhere? Yeah. Don't keep on looking at the light. Don't keep on looking at street. Just look everywhere. Look back mirror. Look around. Look what is who can come to your way. If any pedestrian can come to your way. No pedestrian here around here. Yeah. Actively see everything. Yeah, light is green. Check both sides before starting and then go. When you're passing through this plaza thing, just make sure you look around here. Don't exceed speed limit. Speed limit is 50 here. Somebody want to pass us, no problem, let them pass. We look around here, check MSP, see anyone coming, no one coming. Take a left here. Take a right on the Applewood street. In these streets they will do 3-point turn, parallel parking, uphill and downhill parking. These streets, and for the parallel parking, back parking, you can see my other videos also. Very nice video I have made about the parallel parking, so you can have a look on that one too. And these streets they will ask you 3-point turn, parallel parking. Just make sure look everywhere in these streets. This is 40 area. 40 area ends here. A stop sign. Make sure stop it completely. See any pedestrian coming? Any car coming? No one. Take a right here. We'll take a right on the Silver Creek Parkway. Red light, we'll stop here first completely. Check anyone coming. Yeah, no one coming. We can take right here. Yeah, see, we turn right here and this lane is ending, so change into left automatically. For this one, examiner won't tell you to change this lane. You have to do by yourself. Light is green. Have a look on both sides. And when you're passing through these intersections, look around everywhere. See when car is coming, have a look on that. Look all the hazards on the road. Yeah, again light is green. Have a look around on both sides. Look around. And this railway track is coming. Make sure you look everywhere on the railway track, right and left. Look around. Yeah. Follow the speed limit. Just look both sides. Yeah, an intersection to check both sides. Look both sides. They may take you straight from this traffic light, but we'll take a right here. If it takes you straight, that's a test center. We'll take a right and we'll take a left from the other intersection. So red light, first we stop the car. Yeah, it's already green now. We don't have to really stop. It's green. Look around. Yeah. Check. Mirror, signal, blind spot, change into left. And we'll take a left on the arrow road. Take a left here. Yeah, see, take left here. We'll go left here. And then from the second entrance, we're going back to the test center. Take a left here. Go left here. And when you come back, make sure that you look around everywhere. And sometimes examiner will come and do the back parking here too. We're not doing it, but for the back parking, you can watch my another videos. Very useful video I made for the back parking too. And here you go. This concludes our route number 2, and hopefully this is going to help you to pass your test. And make sure you watch your route number 1 video also along with. And best of luck for your test. Okay, hope this video is going to help you to pass your driving test. And if you need any my help, you can call me anytime at 416-275-3965. And for exciting video like this, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.